heel flips. Have you ever done a varial flip? You just gotta get the flick just right. All right, guys, we're here today with
Miguel.
Miguel, and we just rolled up to the skate park and he said, I learned a lot of tricks from you. And then I said, oh yeah, great.
He's the best, he's the best.
I said, great, let's see if I can teach you all the basics. Or I've never seen him skate before, but we're gonna see if we can go ollie. Let's start with an ollie.
Okay,
This is where the very basic skateboard tricks, ollie.
Ollie, so you go first or?
Yeah, I'll go first.
Okay.
Ready? You follow my lead. Wow, look at that ollie. Why did he have to show me up like that, just right in my face? That was beautiful. That was well done.
Learn from the best.
So how did you learn that actually?
From you, from watching like all your videos.
Tutorials on YouTube.
Ever since I started picking up a board, I started using YouTube for best skate videos and he popped up.
Oh yeah, so good.
Yeah.
Okay, so the next trick after ollie is the front side 180.
Okay, front side.
And I don't know if you've learned any of these. I guess you'll just surprise us with how it goes. Okay, so I'm gonna go first. I'll go right there. Front side 180. Oh. First try. Okay, front side 180. Let's see. Let's see if he's got it. Oh wow. With easy money. First try. That was very well done. That was easy. You got this.
That's pretty simple.
Okay, so the next one, this one per survey is the hardest trick for all beginners. It is the #1 trick beginners can't do, backside 180.
Backside 180.
Look, I can't tell if he's scared or if he's like, oh, I got this, easy money. Okay, so backside is just the other way. Oh, first try! Okay, that was very well done. That was very well done. Okay, do you know what the next trick is?
Pop shove it.
Pop shove it, how does he know?
Like I said, man.
He watched the videos.
I've been watching them since day one.
Pop shove it. You got it, Miguel.
Here goes nothing, man.
Wow. Can I try one? Yeah, got it. That was a good pop shove it. Wow, look at these guys.
Look at these guys go, man.
First try. The next trick in the lineup, as you guys know, leave it in the comments below. Front side shove it. Let's see, this is another one. Beginners, a hard time with the front shove. Woo! Yeah, first try. He's got everything. I don't know why I should be receiving the lessons out here at this point. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, Miguel, I'm terrible at the next trick. The next trick is my Achilles heel of skateboarding. It's the worst trick of mine.
Which one is
I
it?
probably can't even.
I know which one it is.
Which one?
Heel flip.
Oh, I hate the heel flips. We should ban all heel flip tricks. No, I'm just kidding. I love heel flips. If I do this first try, it will be the greatest day.
It's gonna be the best day. The best. You're gonna be in luck.
I'm gonna be in luck. Okay, let's go. Wow, a good one too.
That's a nice one.
Dang, it's a good day, Miguel.
We're gonna have a good day today.
Yes. Wow. Okay, I just got to point out that he's got the sickest S shoes. These are like classic shoes.
Yeah.
PJ Ladd shoes.
Comfortable ones.
Comfortable, so good. Okay, I think you're right there. All you need to do is lift up a little more.
Just
to bend the knees both more. Yeah, I believe what happened there is you're popping it and your feet were too close and it stopped the rotation. Just like
reach for the sky then.
Reach for the sky, let it flip, land, you got it. Wow, let's go. Good job, very well done.
Thank you.
Okay, and the final trick, my favorite of all tricks on every skateboard, every day, the kickflip. The best trick ever invented. Shout out Rodney Mullen. Woo!
Okay, kickflip.
Kickflip, you got it. Camera shy. That was blaming you guys. Leave it in the comments below. Camera shy.
Okay.
You got it right here. First try. Wow. Okay, Miguelito.
Okay.
Kickflip. Wow. So good. Boom.
Right on.
Beautiful. Pop, flick, catch, land. Okay, now what trick can I teach you? Have you ever done a varial flip?
I've done a couple, like maybe I've landed like twice.
Have you ever done a backside flip?
No.
Is that hard?
Maybe.
Yeah,
I've never tried them.
Maybe it is hard. Let's see a varial flip. So, okay, so if you guys are learning how to skateboard, my whole goal is to teach as many people how to skateboard all over the world. So if you guys are learning, you can see he went through all of those basic tricks. Ollie, frontside 180, backside 180, pop shove, front shove, heel flip, and kick flip. Now if every time he goes to skate, if he goes through all of those and lands at least one, and then if he wants to progress even more and get better and better, he would land 5 of those. So like right now he would do like 5 kick flips. But we're gonna have a little fun. We're gonna go into a next trick. Let's see if he can do the varial flip. Let's see if I can do the varial flip. It's been a while, been a minute. Okay, varial flip. So varial flip, those basic tricks, ollie, pop, shove it, all of those are the basics. So from here, anything is gonna be a combination of those. So now it's a combination of a pop, shove and a kick flip, giving us that motion, varial flip. Okay, let's see if I got it. Whoa, missed it. Let's go again. Again, no way, Aaron.
Third is a charm.
Third try is a charm. You just gotta get the flick just right. Okay, you got it. Right here.
All
Cash
right.
money. Boop. Yeah. It's interesting the little nuances of his foot and like where his foot position is. I would put my foot a little bit more here, but like if he's comfortable there, I'm not even gonna move it. Yeah.
You gotta like get full concentration on that.
Yeah,
one.
full concentration. Okay, I'm gonna help you on this.
Yeah, help me out.
So we're gonna
please.
we're gonna take it back one step to a practice step, and you're gonna do a pop, and you're gonna really focus on the front foot flick, because that's what you're missing. And we're gonna step off with your back foot and go like this. Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Back foot off, front foot stays on, and work on the flip, the spin of the board.
Oh, I was doing.
He
the
literally
backflip.
did like pop shove, underflip. This is a timing point. Speed the front foot up more, because you're just, like the board is going, and then you miss it.
I miss it, huh?
So the timing on the front foot a little earlier. Is it easier moving?
I keep missing it, huh?
Is it easier moving or
it's
standing
easy.
still?
It's always easier moving. for me.
Really? Okay, good. I like it. Yeah, you keep missing it. So just
I keep
a little.
missing that flick. It's weird. I've been watching videos
Yeah.
where I see him catch the flip right here. Actually, it's not here. Like
On the varial flip?
on the varial flip,
Yeah,
it's
yeah.
here, right? Somewhere right here.
Yeah, because, okay, I'll explain. So on your kick flip, the board is popping straight up, and it's best to like go like right there, right? Because then you're catching it. But with the varial flip, because your board is going that direction, this nose is already too far away.
Exactly.
So there's no way. But you can, with your foot, follow the board a little bit, right? Like go a little angled. But yeah, it's essentially gonna flick off there, and then it's gonna go like that.
Yeah, let's see one more from you.
Yeah, I'll do the practice step to work on, like. And also my back foot is way further that way.
Oh, it's that way more?
Yours is a little bit more there, which might be also, if you're in that pocket, because when you push down, see what happens to this rail?
Okay.
So that rail goes up into your foot better.
That
and then
makes
it's gonna
sense.
help
That
on your
makes
flick.
sense.
That's the practice step you wanna do.
All right, I'm gonna go for that practice step then.
Boom, there you go.
I did it with the back foot.
Yeah, so now switch the feet. But either way,
Either way is the same, huh?
because once you have one foot on, now from there, it's the same thing, bend the knees.
Yeah, I
like-
like that practice step right there.
Yeah, it's good. Yeah. Yeah. Make sure you give your tail, focus on your back foot for a minute. Yeah. So skateboarding, you always have 2 feet, right? Yes, you always have 2 feet. You're either focusing on your right foot or your left foot. And once you get one foot down, you can kind of focus on, oh, well, what's the other foot need to do? So what's happening right now is you're like, we call it like a magic pop. Your tail's not hitting the ground. So give it a little bit more time for your tail to go boom, hit the ground, and then get that flick. There it is, so good. Because you see on that one, you really heard it. You heard it go like this, pop. Okay, you got it. We're working it out here today, Miguel. Here, do it again. I'm gonna slow-mo you. Oh! Okay. Watch this. Look at your back foot, looking pretty good. You pop it. Look at the flick is good. It's going. All you needed to do was keep your knees bent and more in the air. You see how you stopped it?
I stopped it.
Yeah, you stopped it. Same with that first heel flip and the first kick flip. So if you kept those legs up, oh, you got it. You're right there. Oh, you got it. Remember, keep those knees high. Yeah, this is good. I know he's probably getting frustrated, but I want to have somebody like go through something so I can actually teach them, you see? Because all the other tricks, he just banged them out. I didn't think he was gonna get the kickflip right away, but he did.
Okay, here we go, here we go.
Yeah, what do you gotta do?
Lift him up.
You gotta lift him up, that's right. So he's just putting his feet down too early, stopping that rotation, stopping the board.
So it's my fault then?
It's your fault. It's always your fault.
Yeah.
It's skateboarding. Can I get a, there it was?
There it was right
what
there.
What the? Yeah. I swear, that was some kind of magic, amazing flip. Yeah. Okay, right here, we give it to you first try. We wipe out all the other tries. This is what I do too. I go, okay, I got it right here. And then he missed the pop. That one was the tail didn't hit the ground. This is another thing I feel like it's really good. If you guys are learning how to skate, you can film yourself and that way you can see what's going on.
I like the flick. I like my flick.
Yep, you see? See what happened? Your back foot stopped the board right there.
Yeah.
If your back foot, your right knee was just more bent, you would have landed it.
I would have landed.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna let it flip. I'm gonna let it do his thing.
Let it flip.
I'm gonna let it do his thing.
Yeah.
Can I just go back to back?
Yeah.
Like, just get it all out there?
Yeah,
you
yeah.
know?
Yeah. Oh! Let's go!
Right back to back helps
Yeah.
because you don't forget.
Yeah, so
That's usually how I always get my tricks down. You gotta go back to back, so it stays in your brain.
explain that whole process. Okay, so if you guys are learning how to skate, this is very important. Go
So
ahead.
yeah, what I figured out just barely is if you go back to back, put all your energy into the tricks, the following tricks, attempts, that's how you're gonna get it because you have it right here dialed in, like little by little you connect all the dots and land it. That's
Yeah.
what worked right now for me.
So good. Okay.
Thank you.
How long
Thank
have
you,
you been
Aaron.
skating for?
10 years, roughly 10 years.
Okay, so good. So like how long when you very first started to learn an ollie?
It took, well, I'm still working on it. You never stop learning.
See?
And that's what you gotta keep in mind. It's all about
Progressing.
learning,
Yeah.
progressing, perfecting it.
Yeah, you're always
everything.
learning.
You're always learning, so can't really say I've learned it.
Yeah, good, I love it. Yeah, so for you guys, don't get discouraged. It took me a hard, full-blown 6 months to learn how to do an ollie. With all the instruction that you have today, I believe that you can do it within 7 days. I'd like to challenge you. Okay, I hope you guys are having an absolute blast learning how to ride your skateboard. Huge thanks to Miguel. You want to shout out your Instagram or anything?
I don't have any right now. I'm working on them. So
When he gets an Instagram, follow him on Instagram.
Thank you, Aaron.
Thank you.
Appreciate it.
Thank you. Okay, guys, if you want to learn how to ride a skateboard, join the Braille Skateboarding Academy. We got everything you need to learn to ride at brailleskateboarding.com. Let's go. We'll see you in the next episode.